July 17th. World Emoji Day. Communication in the internet age now goes far beyond pressing send on a simple text message. Check your social media feeds or text messages. How many smiley faces, flying hearts, avocados, and unicorns do you see? These iconic little Japanese images, known as emoji, are more popular on the internet today than ever before. So naturally, they have their own special day. Recognized on July 17th, World Emoji Day is a holiday that validates our obsession over these ubiquitous graphic icons. While sometimes they may seem silly, according to various psychologists and researchers, they may play a vital role in the way we communicate today. In fact, Oxford Dictionary's word of the year for 2015 was this emoji. Light up your friends' phones with all the emojis you want today. It's a healthy obsession. On this day, people post on social media using the hashtag World Emoji Day. World Emoji Day activities. Have an emoji-only conversation. Challenge your emoji knowledge by having an emoji-filled message stream with your best friend. See how well you can understand each other using only these delightful icons. Who knew you could have a whole conversation without any words? Create your own emojis. You can turn your favorite photos into shareable emojis using various apps and online tools. You can finally turn your favorite photo of your dog or cat into an emoji. Wear your favorite emoji. Create your own customized emoji-filled t-shirt or purchase one through a vendor online. Your favorite emoji can become your new favorite t-shirt. Thank you for watching.